Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix lag in GTA San Andreas game in PC. So if it is lagging, it means that you haven't or you doesn't have much graphic card for the game or RAM. So but RAM cannot be taken as issue, as almost all the computer after 2011 have 2 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM. So it is not a big issue. So it means that the thing you need is a good graphic card. So if you have a sufficient graphic card, then you have to adjust the performance of the window. You need to follow the few steps to set your system on sufficient performance so that your GTA Sanders game can run smoothly on your system. So before starting guys, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel and like the video, and let's go to the PC screen. So now guys, what you have to do, you just have to go to the setting on your Windows. So to go to setting, you can press window button plus I, or you can go directly by here by start button and click on setting. And now where you have to go, so you have to go to system, and now just scroll down the left panel and go to the about. So on your system, when you go to about, you can see it on my PC. There is 4 GB RAM, and if we talk about, uh, so what you have to do now, what you have to go to this advanced system settings. So when it is open, now under performance, there is visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. So you just have to click on this. And now what you have to do, you have to click on, uh, you have to choose, you have to choose here. So we have to choose here just for best performance and just apply this setting. And right, so once it is applied, now click on OK, and just click on OK, and you will see some changes on your system. So you can see, so now since we have applied the setting that is good for performance, best performance, and we are not letting our windows choosing not letting a not letting choosing settings for our PC. So this might help you to this might help you fixing lagging in GTA San Andreas. So I hope you get it, and otherwise you may have to upgrade your graphic card, and you may also think of RAM as well. So guys, yeah, that's the fix you can do in on your PC. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then.